This video will show you how to clean an acrylic plate. The following tools are required for this maintenance: the Ultrasun acrylic cleaner and a cleaning cloth. For cleaning the acrylic plate, you first need to disassemble the plate from the machine. Watch the video on replacing an acrylic plate first to know how to properly disassemble the plate. Place the plate upright against the wall on a soft surface. Make sure to avoid rough surfaces that can damage the plate. Turn the plate so that the curved side faces you. Spray the Ultrasun cleaner or a non-aggressive acrylic cleaner onto the cloth. Then, use long strokes to clean the plate from top to bottom. This will ensure that the plate is thoroughly cleaned and free of any residue. Remember to avoid using aggressive cleaners or rough materials that can scratch or damage the plate. We recommend using a certified acrylic cleaner. For more instructions, go to ultrasuninternational.com.